Hi, welcome to solvinggo.com. This is the next in a series of solutions to the MAT135 final exam from 2009. This is question number 13, and it's about asymptotes. So we're told the graph of y equals 2x cubed plus x squared minus 12x plus 6 divided by x times x plus 3. So we're told that it has two vertical asymptotes, okay, which is almost clear from the definition. Asymptotes, because there's two zeros in the denominator, which don't make the numerator 0. So those count as vertical asymptotes. But we also know there's a slant asymptote. Okay, so we're told this, but we know this is the case because the degree of the polynomial in the top there is 3, and the degree of the polynomial in the bottom will be, well, it's x times x, so x squared. The degree is 2. The degree in the top is 1 bigger than the degree in the bottom, so we get a slant asymptote. Okay, and we have to figure out which line it is, this slant asymptote. Okay, question mark. So let me erase what I have written here. We're just looking for the slant asymptote, which means we need to do polynomial division. Okay, so rewriting this, we get 2x cubed plus x squared minus 12x plus 6 divided by x squared plus 3x, and then we divide. Okay, we get, first of all, am I going to have enough room? Okay, we'll give it a shot. Let's see, we have x squared plus 3x plus, I'll put the 0 in here just to keep track of the units, so the constant term. And we get 2x cubed plus x squared minus 12x plus 6. So let's just start with the polynomial division. We need a 2x here. So 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. We need that, whatever goes here, that times this leading term should match this leading term here. Then we carry through. So 2x times 3x is going to be 6x squared. And then 2x times 0 is 0. We subtract. We get 0 minus 5x squared minus 12x. And then we bring down the 6. And now whatever goes here, that times x squared should be negative 5x, so this should be negative 5. Okay, and here we know we're pretty much done because this linear term here on the top will be this line, but let's carry through the rest of this division. Negative 5x squared minus 15x plus 0. And we see the remainder is, so it's negative 12 minus negative 15, so it's negative 12 plus 15, which is 3x. So we get 3x plus 6 there. Okay, which means we can rewrite our function as, well, it's going to be the quotient, 2x minus 5, plus the remainder, 3x plus 6, divided by what we were dividing by, that's x squared plus 3x. Okay, so let me erase what's down here and just explain what we have. So what we see is that as x goes to infinity, this term here approaches 0 because the degree of the denominator is 2 and the degree of the numerator is 1. And so as x goes to infinity, this function starts to look more and more like this function here, and that's the slant asymptote. So the slant asymptote is 2x minus 5. And that's the answer to question number 13.